Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel we're focused on helping the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. In 2024, online earning hasn't been easier. To put into perspective, over the last 7 days I've managed to make over £207 from online surveys. How great is that?
Congratulations.
But you're thinking, what do I do when there isn't any online earning opportunities? What do I do when all the servers have dried up? Well, in this video I'm going to showcase to you 10 plus ways you can consistently earn by using certain applications. And a lot of the time these actions are literally, you load up an app, you press one button and you get credited some easy money. Obviously you're not going to get rich from this, but you are going to be able to earn a few dollars every so often. And all these actions can be completed from your smartphone. Literally it is minimal effort to get paid some easy money. As always, all the apps mentioned in this video are in the description. Let's dive right in. First up is the survey application known as Opinio. So this is a survey application, but they actually offer a daily check-in feature. So you can log in every single day and you'll earn at least 2p for that check-in. Once you've actually logged in 6 times in a row, on the 7th day you'll actually earn a cheeky 10p for just pressing 2 buttons. How great is that? It's not much, but it does actually add up, especially if you are doing surveys on the platform. Overall, cash outs start from £10. Let's talk about the Swagbucks Daily Trivia. So in this application, you answer 10 questions, and the more you get right, the more money you will earn on Swagbucks. If you get them all right, you'll get 10p or 20p if you're actually answering on a Friday afternoon. It's not bad for actually testing out your general knowledge. Cash outs on Swagbucks start from £1. How great is that? Inbox Pounds is next, and this is the sister site to Swagbucks. But the thing what really makes this really different is that you can claim an easy 7p every single day by using their actual search engine on the platform. Literally type in any word, wait 2 seconds and refresh the page, and you do this until you hit 7p, and there you go, you are done. If you max this out every single day for a month, you'll earn £2.17, which isn't too bad. Overall, cash outs start at £5 on Inbox Pounds. You can't go wrong with that. Bing Rewards is one of my favourite ways to earn. Literally, it's a search engine, but if you complete searches or interact with their platform, you can earn some easy cash. It's not a quick platform, don't get me wrong, but if you're watching TV, you can do a quiz on their platform, you can do some searches, and you'll earn some easy money. If you max out every day, you'll earn around 25p. Cash outs start at 15.2k points, which is £10 Amazon, which isn't too bad. Following on, there's actually 2 different applications you need to be using, which are SurveyPop and Eureka Surveys. First off, these are really good survey apps. They're actually the highest paying for any consumer-based surveys, so that's one thing to note. But the thing that really makes them even better is that you can log in every single day and earn 1p by completing the daily poll on each of the platforms, which is great. You can also cash out when you hit £4, but the thing that really makes this even better, once you actually cash out £4 on these platforms, you'll get given a £1.20 survey, which literally takes 30 seconds to complete. So £1.20 on top of that 1p you earn daily. We Are Rate is another favourite of mine. You can literally get paid to watch ads from a wide range of different providers. Literally just log in and the app will prompt you if there's any ads available to watch. If so, you watch them, you complete a quick survey, literally 20 seconds, and you get paid for that. Cash out start from £1, you'll probably earn about 10-15 pence a day from that. For anyone who loves Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, Ember Fund is one which you should not miss out on. So Ember Fund is an investment platform, but the thing is you don't even need to invest to actually earn from this platform. So in the description is a link to the actual website. I suggest you using my exclusive link, mainly because you actually get added benefits by doing that. So by using my link, you actually get 5 Satoshis an hour extra when I'm mining with you. And it's just one of those ways where we can share the wealth, and that's what I like to do.
We are all winners.
So how this application works is, you log in every single day and you'll start to mine Bitcoin on your phone. It won't do any damage to the device, so do not worry, it's all done in the cloud, and you'll slowly earn a few pennies every single day. It's not much, but it's a really good way where you can actually start to build a crypto portfolio. When cashing out though, you do need an external wallet like Coinbase or Crypto.com, and then you can convert that Bitcoin into pounds if you want to sell it, or if you want to create some kind of portfolio, like I said, you can just hold it on the platform. Speaking of crypto, there's an application you should be using called Crypto.com. This is a Bitcoin exchange, but you don't even actually have to use it as a Bitcoin exchange. You're going to use it for the daily check-in feature. So literally all you need to do is get an account, download the application, and then you're ready to earn. Once you're actually in the application, go to the top right of the actual app, and you'll see a little prompt which says missions. Click that and then complete the daily status, and you'll actually gain 1 diamond. Once you have 25 diamonds, these can be exchanged for a lucky box which contains some free CRO tokens. These tokens can then be exchanged for Great British Pounds. On average, you'll gain around 4 CRO tokens per box, so that's around 25p at the current price of CRO, but there's always that chance where you can win big. You can win 40 CRO or above. Either way, it's definitely worth doing, so definitely check that out.
Oh, they got lucky.
Yeah, you hit the jackpot, lady.
Guys.
Why is this funny?
On the receipt scanning app known as Store Rewards, you can log in daily and refresh the application and you'll earn 1p instantly. It's that easy. Cash out start from £2 from Store Rewards. On a daily basis, you can log into the site known as Loot Up and spin a magical wheel. The majority of the time you won't actually earn anything other than a boost, but once in a blue moon you will win some free cash. Normally between 1 and 10 cents for free. It's still free and you can't complain at that. Cash out start Loot Up from $1 to PayPal. The final app is known as Cash Walk, where you can watch one ad a day and earn from walking. It's that easy. On average you earn around 2p per ad, but the more steps you do and the more ads you actually watch, the more money you will make. I think this application works best if you actually do a lot of walking and you've always got your phone on you at all times. But either way, it's a good little app and cash out start from £5. As mentioned, these platforms will not make you rich, but it's a good addition to all the other applications you can be running. If you do maximise these applications, you'll earn around 75p every single day, or around $340. So it's a good way just to get these consistent earnings done. No matter how much money I make from my day job or online, I'm going to still do these sites every single day because it's consistent earnings and it's something which you don't really have to think about. If you do have any questions about how all these sites work, let me know. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys real soon.